Mastering the art of the last-minute rush. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common scenario that many of us face, not just in the realm of academics or work, but in our everyday lives as well. We're talking about the last-minute rush. This phrase encapsulates a situation we've all found ourselves in, racing against the clock to meet a deadline or finish a task that, perhaps, we've put off a little too long. Let's explore what this phrase really means, why it happens, and how we can manage it effectively. The term, last-minute rush, refers to the flurry of activity that occurs just before a deadline. It's that heart-pounding time when you're trying to complete tasks or responsibilities that you've delayed until the final possible moment. This can apply to anything from submitting a project, preparing for an exam, packing for a trip, or even finishing chores before guests arrive. There are a few reasons why people might find themselves in a last-minute rush. Procrastination is often the main culprit. We delay starting a task because it seems daunting, or we believe we work better under pressure. Sometimes, it's simply a matter of poor time management, where we fail to accurately judge how long a task will take. Understanding these reasons can help us address the root causes and avoid future rushes. Believe it or not, a last-minute rush isn't all bad. For some, it can lead to heightened focus and productivity, squeezing out creativity that wasn't present before. However, the cons often outweigh the pros. It can lead to unnecessary stress, lower quality work, and even affect your health. Recognizing both sides of this coin is crucial in evaluating if this is a habit worth keeping. So, how can we avoid the last-minute rush? Here are a few strategies. Prioritize tasks based on their deadline and importance. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Set mini deadlines for yourself ahead of the final deadline. Use tools and apps for time management and reminders. Learn to recognize and combat procrastination early on. The last-minute rush is a common experience, but it doesn't have to define how we handle our responsibilities. By understanding why it happens and employing strategies to manage our time better, we can reduce stress and improve the quality of our work. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. We hope this video helps you in your journey towards better time management and efficiency. See you next time.